I didn't even hear it winding, so.
Which way does it go? Try and pull it real quick. Nope.
Well, that was...
Hold on, now it's not turning off. Hold on, now it's not turning off.
Oh, it was on continuous? Seem okay?
I think. Ooh, I'm getting water down my back. I think we're trying to get fired upon here, huh?
Are we?
I think. I don't know. I want to what? Shoot? Where the hell you want me to shoot? No way, no? Is it no way, no? There's two of them up there. One of them was alive. Well, I guess I'm gonna go back to the truck and see if I got an unjamming rod or something. Yep. Yeah, I got gun malfunctions.